Hi, how are you doing this lockdown? Well, this time has given us a lot of time to engage in a lot of retrospection, look back at our lives, and see what the way ahead could be. We're living in a world that is very, very dynamic, and this retrospection will definitely show you how much of change we have undergone. Dynamism is a part and parcel of life. But given the kind of ecosystem we are living in today and the play of internet and global connectivity, this dynamism has really amplified. The rate of evolution today is faster than it has ever been before. So are we upgrading ourselves? Our computers? Our computers, our phones always undergo a systems upgrade, but what about our systems upgrade? Well, the approach is simple. It is read, interact, observe, and absorb. Reading really has no alternative. And when I say that it has no alternative, I really mean it's irreplaceable. If you're interested in a subject and you know that that is something you want to pursue on a professional or a personal level, then it is very important to create a constructive reading framework. And by constructive, I mean zero in on a number of sources, on a number of publications, maybe create a list of books that you would like to read and then very steadily read. It's not about completing everything that you have, signed yourself up for. It is about keeping at it. It is really about, starting with that first chapter, that first page, that first sentence, and that first word. Keep trying. Success is okay, it will come with time, but it's really the trying that makes all the difference. So far as interacting is concerned, once you have started reading, you know what the discourses are, it is time to take part in these discourses. Participate in LinkedIn groups, be a part of Facebook groups, be a part of, Twitter circles. Speak to people on Quora, see what people are talking about. It is important to know what people are talking about. So when you know what they are talking about and you're a part of that particular discourse, the conversation gets going, you know what your action points should ideally be. Next, next comes observation. From action points, observation. When you're talking to people, you're also observing people. Look at trajectories. Look at trajectories of people over the years. Make LinkedIn your best friend. When you're reading books, you can also read about a lot of case studies, read biographies, read about people, their journeys, see what path they have taken. Your path need not be the same as theirs, but maybe there might be some points of interconnection. Maybe there's a little tidbit that you can glean something from. That is why case studies are very important. People's experiences are very important. And that is why it is very important for you to observe, to vicariously learn from people. Absorption. Absorption happens the moment the process of assimilation starts. And that is very simple. You set the ball rolling for your own personal goals. So, suppose, let's say, for instance, data visualization has, quite an application in marketing today. Projecting statistics and visualizing numbers. Maybe, see what simple tools you can use. You need not be a Python guru or you need not know coding, but baby steps are what you need to take towards understanding how to use tools. We're living in a fantastic world where we have 101 tools as our weapons. So make use of these. I'll just give you an example. Maybe if it is data visualization, maybe use a tool, learn a tool like Microsoft Power BI, and invest yourself in your own personal projects. Use these tools to express yourself, your own ideas. Build a portfolio for yourself and prepare yourself before you make one for your clients. When you started using the cell phone, this was a new powerful tool that you started using to express yourself. And it's an absolute necessity today. So go for it, guys. This lockdown, it's time for introspection, retrospection, and new decisions. Thank you. Good luck.